Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your web applications with Fortinet detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your web applications with Fortinet, start by gathering your requirements. Identify the specific web applications you want to secure. Understand the potential threats your applications face. Choose the right Fortinet product based on your needs. FortiWeb is a leading option for web application security. Begin the setup by accessing the FortiWeb Management Interface. Log in with your administrator credentials. Navigate to the dashboard to assess the system's status. Set up your network configuration to allow traffic to FortiWeb. Configure the IP addresses and routing settings. Deploy your FortiWeb appliance inline for optimal protection. Next, create a new web application profile. Define the application type and customize security settings. Enable the web application firewall features. Adjust the sensitivity levels based on your risk assessment. Implement threat detection and automatic updates for rules. Add custom rules as necessary for your specific application. Utilize FortiWeb's bot management features to mitigate automated threats. Integrate FortiWeb with your existing security infrastructure. Set up logging to monitor application requests and vulnerabilities. Regularly review the logs for any suspicious activities. Schedule routine updates to ensure continuous protection. Conduct periodic vulnerability assessments on your applications. Test the security measures with simulated attacks. Incorporate user training on best security practices. Evaluate your configuration regularly for any necessary adjustments. Stay informed about the latest security trends and Fortinet updates. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your web applications with Fortinet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.